How to change language on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll be helping you to change language on Snapchat. So make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future uploads from our channel. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up the Snapchat app on your device. Now tap on the Bitmoji at the top left of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you're on the settings page, scroll a bit down and you will see an option called language. Now tap on that option. Now you can see right now my app's language is set to English because it is the system default. Now in order to change the language of Snapchat, you have to simply scroll down and choose the language that you want to change your language into. Now for example, I'm going to select Spanish. Now there, tap on change button. So now you have successfully changed the app language of Snapchat. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to change language on Snapchat. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.